The advantages of coffee have been a hotly debated topic for years as opponents contest that it contains caffeine, which can cause insomnia and other diseases. However, recent studies bring a wealth of good news for coffee lovers as they indicate that the benefits of consuming coffee far outweigh its drawbacks. Wondering why you, as a male, should drink coffee every day? Here are the top 5 benefits you should know. Enhances sexual performance. Yes, you read that right. Drinking up to 3 cups of coffee a day could dramatically improve your sex life. Research has shown that men who consume coffee are less likely to face erectile dysfunction compared to men who didn't, regardless of weight, age, or blood pressure. Participants in the study included people with diabetes, hypertension, and obesity, with the results being the same in all the patients. Serves as a potent source of healthy antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that fight free radicals, which are the unstable atoms that are responsible for illness and aging in your body. Coffee contains more antioxidants than green tea and cocoa, which are often referred to as antioxidant superstars. Thus, a cup of coffee contains more antioxidants than equivalent servings of grape juice, blueberries, oranges, and other foods that are rich in the compounds. Helps to improve brain functions. Got an exam to prepare for? You might want to drink at least a cup of coffee daily so you will be able to remember more stuff. A study that involved a group of volunteers showed that those who received a dose of 100 mg/mg of caffeine were able to recall more information than those who were not given. Aids to curb certain cancers. Drinking at least 3 cups of coffee can decrease the risk of cancer of the liver, skin, prostate, and breast. In a range of studies conducted by researchers from the Harvard School of Public Health, the University of Hawaii Cancer Center, and the National Cancer Institute, the consensus is that coffee contains properties that may help fight cancer. Lowers the risk of type 2 diabetes. A significant number of health and nutrition experts hold the position that there is a link between taking coffee and a decreased risk of diabetes. After reviewing 28 different studies and crunching the numbers from over 1 million participants in the study, Harvard researchers found that those who drank a cup of coffee were 7% less likely to develop diabetes. While drinking coffee can help you stay healthy, it's important that you don't drink too much, as high amounts of caffeine can do you more harm good. The key is moderation, which is around 2 to 3 8-ounce cups per day. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.